So let's show the to-dos left. So to see how many incomplete to-dos there are, we're going to have a computed property incomplete to-dos inside to-dos Svelte and send it as a prop to our new component to-dos left Svelte. So as we can see in this example, we're first going to import it and then we're going to add the computed property. So let's do that right now. So import to-dos left, which we haven't created yet. Let's say to-dos left.svelte, and then we can go here and add the computed property. Say incomplete to-dos, say to-dos filter for each to-do. If we see right here, we can just get the length. So we can say to-do that's not completed, so we're filtering to-dos that aren't completed, and then we just want the length. So you just say dot length, and that's it. So let us pass the prop if we see here. So we can go here to our actions, and then we can, let's cut this for now. And we can say to-dos left, and then let's pass incomplete to-dos. Yeah, so let's save that, and then let's create the component, which is a couple of lines at most. So we can go to source components, and then let's create to-dos left Svelte. Let's add a script tag, language TypeScript, and let's have a prop incomplete to-dos, and we can just say the type here, and then we can paste our markup. We can just remove the placeholder, and we can say incomplete to-dos, and that would be it. But let's take it a step further. Let's say incomplete to-dos. If it's 1, then it should say item or items left. So awesome, this should work. Let's see. That's why we refresh, boys, so you're always sure. Yeah, so let's see. Pay attention to this, right? Awesome, right? It works.